Hello everyone, my name is Samady Medina and welcome to my sacred space. I'm here with one of my best friends. This is my selenite. My husband gave it to me around 10 years ago as a birthday present, and with this, my love and passion around crystals started. I'm here because I want to tell you something really amazing that happened to me and that I know that it can also happen to you. And it's about being in the CCH program, Crystal Healer Certified program with Ashley Levy at the Love and Light School. It has been an amazing experience. I've learned so many great things with Ashley and with Lauren there, and also with my classmates. And it has boosted my confidence, it has boosted my knowledge, my even more passion, and that's crazy because I'm really passionate about crystals. But let me tell you how it happened and how it started, and if you're thinking about maybe doing the program, why it's so important and why yes, you should go in and just do it. Follow your dreams and follow your heart and your intuition. So like I said, I started working with crystals around maybe 10 years ago, but working in a way that it's more about learning about them, working with them with myself. I always have like journaling, of course my crystals are always with me, and I started to feel different things with them, maybe more energetic and sometimes more in tune with myself, depending on what I was feeling at that moment or the situations that has happened in my surroundings or in my life. Depending on where I was and the crystals that I was working on, different things happen. So I started to learn more about them, getting more books, and yes, there was a moment that I was like, you know what, I want to do something bigger. This is something that I really love. I love how I feel. I love everything that happens to me when I'm surround them. So I want others to also feel the same. And how can I help others? Because my purpose in life actually is to bring joy to others, and to help others. So I started to share this knowledge that I had, this basic knowledge that I had about crystals. One of my dreams, yes, is to establish my secret business that I already started thanks to Ashley. So that's basically how it started. And last year, while I was building my secret space, not my secret space, I'm sorry, my secret business, I was searching for something, and boom, I found Ashley Levy's information, or the Love and Light School information, and the CCH program. And I was curious. I was like, wow, something that I thought that yes, I wanted to do. I didn't know that I was actually, or that there was something like a certification, a real certification that can enhance that knowledge and can support you with that knowledge and tools and materials and everything in order to support others, like to actually make it as a business. So I started following the school, and I took 2 classes. One is for the womb healing, and another one was for sacred geometry. And while I was talking with my husband was like, you need to do it. Let's figure it out, find more information, but you need to do it. It's your passion, and even though maybe you're not working with customers or clients at this moment, you can actually do it with yourself or for yourself. So while we were on a vacation road trip, we were hearing Ashley's in one of her online Facebook Live, And that's where we say, yes, you're gonna do it, let's figure it out. But you're gonna do it, you're gonna follow your dreams. And yes, I did it. I enrolled it, and my first hesitation was, one, maybe the investment, and two, that my business is not established. So I didn't know if the certification was more for people that already are working with clients. But let me tell you, no. First, in terms of the investment, there are flexible ways to actually do the payments. And in terms of having the business or working with customers, no. You don't need to do that, or you don't need to have the business. It can help you to start that process. But it's so amazing to actually work on it within yourself, for yourself, and to heal you, and to also support your loved ones with all this knowledge and all these techniques and all this confidence that you're gaining while you are studying with those materials, that is not only about basic knowledge about the crystals, but actually what you can do with them for yourself and for others. It boosts the confidence, it boosts the intuition. Well, I remember one of the experiences that I had while I was doing the CCH program is that I had a really close friends having a situation, and I did a grid. I just followed my intuition. I did a crystal grid, and I sent her this love and compassion and healing light. And the person, she just told me, yes, I felt it, and I feel so much better at this moment. So the CCH program helped me a lot in have confidence in the knowledge that I had, and also in the different practices that I was doing for myself and also for others. The materials, again, each homework, each exercise, if you really take the time to do it, you will gain a lot with this practice. And again, the energy that you feel around you and with others is just mind-blowing. And you're not alone in this process. There is a beautiful community of classmates in the Love and Light School students. It is a Facebook page, a Facebook group, and believe me, it's the support that you gain from all these people with a beautiful energy. I really felt supported. I never felt alone. We were all talking the same language, and we still do. So you have that as well, or you will have that as well if you enrolled. Please do. What else I can say? Yeah. So there you go. You if you're thinking of doing it, please don't think any longer. If it's your dream, if it's your passion, if one of the purpose in your life is to actually continue growing and continue planting a positive seed in this world, the CCH program is something that definitely can help you. You have a network there. Ashley is there in every step of the way, and it feels really, really, really good. So yeah, go ahead and I hope to see you soon in the student group. I'm here for whatever you need in anything. So yes, hopefully this is something that fulfills you the way that it fulfilled me. And as a bonus, there are some oracle readings every week with Lauren, and they are amazing. They really nail it. So I hope that this gives you some information and that you don't think any longer. So thank you very much. Love and light for you. Ciao.